In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with your Google Calendar and vice versa. Let's dive right into it and break down the process. First off, let's look at how you can sync your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar using a one-way sync. To begin, open Outlook on the web. Once there, navigate to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select View All Outlook Settings. Now navigate to Calendar, then Shared Calendars. Here, under Publish a Calendar, you're going to choose the calendar that you want to share. Also, ensure you select the option labeled Can View All Details. Once your selections are made, click Publish. After publishing, you will see the ICS link. Make sure to copy the ICS link instead of the HTML link. The ICS link is crucial in linking your Outlook calendar to Google. Now, to add this ICS link to your Google Calendar, open Google Calendar on your desktop. On the left sidebar, find Other Calendars and click the plus sign next to it. From the menu that appears, choose From URL. In the field provided, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook. To finalize, click Add Calendar. With that done, your Outlook events should now appear in your Google Calendar, which is fantastic for keeping all your scheduling centralized. Remember though, this sync allows you to view events only. It means you can't edit Outlook events directly within Google Calendar. Additionally, keep in mind that Google updates these subscribed ICS calendars periodically, which might result in a slight delay in updates. Next, let's cover how you can sync your Google events into Outlook. To start, head over to your Google Calendar on the desktop and access the settings through the gear icon on the upper right corner. Click on Settings for My Calendars, then choose the specific calendar you wish to sync. Scroll down to find Integrate Calendar, where you will see the secret address in iCal format. Copy this iCal link. With your link ready, go to Outlook Web. Here, navigate to Calendar, then Add Calendar. From this menu, select Subscribe from Web. Paste the iCal link you copied from Google Calendar into the provided field. Give your subscription calendar a fitting name and then save it. That's it! You've successfully integrated your calendars, whether you prefer to have your Outlook calendar feed into Google or want Google events to show up in Outlook. These straightforward steps should have you all synced up. By doing this, you ensure your schedule is consistently updated across platforms, making your day-to-day planning seamless.